Our future is important for our employees, our customers, but most importantly, for our environment, clean and simple. We installed a new water filtration system that recycles 70% of our water usage. Paper has been made using our recycled uniforms. And every day we use 10,000 steel hangers and ask our customers to return them so they can be reused. These are the actions we take that impact our environment. We promote our eco-friendly products, from our recycled image apparel to our reusable roll towels. We have the products that will stay out of landfills. We understand we have a long way to go, but we are heading in the right direction, inspiring others to do the same.